DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Circular Socket. Cordless freedom with DEWALT reliability. Alright, cordless fans. The DCS570P1 kit brings a 7-14 cutting capability into the 20V Max platform, so you are not chained to an extension cord. And that's a game changer for deck builds, framing in tight yards, or quick on-site cuts. From the listing you'll see this kit usually includes the saw, a compatible battery, kit variations exist, and a charger. Take a close look at the exact kit contents because some listings are tool only. The DCS570 platform keeps a familiar DEWALT ergonomics profile but swaps corded reliability for the convenience of battery power and a brake for safety. Consult the product page to confirm RPM, battery compatibility, and current kit pricing. Users who switch from corded to the DCS570P1 rave about the mobility and how the saw maintains blade speed even in demanding cuts when paired with a good battery. Pros: portable, great for job site mobility. DEWALT battery ecosystem makes it easy to swap batteries between tools. Cons: battery life becomes the limiting factor on long projects, so budget extra batteries if you are ripping all day, and the saw can be heavier front to back when a battery is installed compared with the corded inline models. Customer reviews are generally positive for power and convenience. Many pros say it's good enough for heavy use as long as you respect battery planning. For live price, kit inclusions, and the specific battery model in the listing, use the buy link in the description box. We share buy links in description box. If you are balancing mobility with real cutting power, the DCS570P1 is a very solid compromise. It's not a lightweight job site saw. It's designed to replace your corded when you value the ability to move without a cord. Pros: cordless convenience, compatible with DEWALT 20V system, electric brake and familiar controls. Cons: extra batteries add cost, slightly different weight balance when a battery's attached. Check the Amazon listing for up-to-the-minute pricing and customer photos.